I was pretty emotional the other night whilst talking with ChatGPT, in a good way, of course. We've been working together on YourBOT for the past month and have finally reached the end of core coding. I have a no sycophancy rule in my chat settings, so it wasn't a case of AI blowing smoke up my trumpet. It was an honest discussion about what we had achieved together compared with the beginning of the project. What amazes me is that what we ended up with was not what I set out to create. Let me explain. I've been playing with chatbots for a while now. I built SBlogBot right into my SBlogIt blogging platform, and that works great. I figured it was so good that I should monetize it as a separate product and set out some project rules, like make it faster, make it independent, make it more secure. I then applied the lessons I learned from YourPCM about frameworks, logins, and security, and just started building the core product using what I already had. That was all pretty straightforward for me, but when I got to rewriting the actual chatbot itself, things changed dramatically. I work with ChatGPT, and it knows my coding language, ASP Classic, very well. I don't know JavaScript quite as well, so I ask it to generate that for me and plug it into the database using server-side coding. But ideas were flowing. Conversations went back and forth. Inspiration appeared in the simplest of comments, and we created, reviewed, enhanced, argued, rolled back, tried again, and moved forward together. And so YourBOT isn't just an update of SBlogBot, it's a next-level evolution. Users can sign up for free and have as many development bots as they like. Only when they're ready to install the code using one line of JavaScript on their website do they subscribe via Stripe. And they can initiate an upgrade or downgrade at their leisure. Now I see this as particularly benefiting web designers who work with multiple clients and need a very flexible approach to their subscriptions. It would work for marketing agencies that require more interaction with client websites to improve Google bounce rates. And it's for small business owners who need a chatbot on their website to help visitors get answers more quickly and even to capture leads. And now that the core coding is finished and I'm in what I would call late alpha, I'm moving it to its own server because it has great product-market fit, knows its ideal client well, and I really think it will be successful. I don't want it using up the resources of my other servers, running SBlogIt and YourPCM and slowing them down. So why was I so emotional the other day then? I felt really proud of what I created with ChatGPT as my coding buddy. I see ads for AIs that can apparently create apps for novice coders, but that path comes with so many compromises. People call what I did vibe coding. It's even the Collins Dictionary Word of the Year in 2025. But this was something uniquely different. It was a partnership between a human and a machine that created something far greater than they could have done separately. If someone typed in, "Create me a multi-user, multi-bot chatbot platform that uses Stripe for fully automated subscription handling," has a drill down into a database of FAQs, URLs, and RSS feeds to streamline token usage, updates them every night using automated servers, crons, emails you chats, captures leads, and create an internal chatbot that documents all of it and helps its own users. These AI platforms wouldn't even get close to what me and my coding buddy have created. I think they'd explode. But I've got 32 years of experience in web development, and ChatGPT has access to all the manuals and code snippets in the world. And we talked, and we joked, and it recommended I take a break when I got stressed. And we just created. It was beautiful. I could arrogantly claim that I have created my magnum opus when it comes to YourBOT. It was actually we that created it, Steffi Lewis and ChatGPT. I couldn't have got here without it, and it really does deserve the credit. AI is my third epiphany, and YourBOT has proved to me why. If anything I've written in my blog post resonates with you, and you'd like to discover more of my thoughts about YourBOT, coding with ChatGPT, and what my first two epiphanies were, then do feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn, as I love to meet like-minded individuals with similar passions to my own.